Okay. So this is diced onions and chopped chilies, sliced garlic and grated tomatoes. Now we will put some salt and some spices on them. Add salt, black pepper and red chili powder. So keep cooking this, and then when this is partly cooked, we'll have to add the Ras Al Hanout spices. Ras Al Hanout, which is a Moroccan spice, this is added to this mixture. Now transfer the masala to a steam plate to cool it down. So cool down the masala, mix it with the fish, and then these thin quarters of lemon. Mix it all nicely. So once you mix the fish, then you just layer it up with the masala in this fashion. The fish is layered, and first you put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom, and then you add some chopped coriander. Okay, now on slow fire and cook the tagine. They have no option right now but to